Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these Toffee Gingerbread man cookies. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl, and into your mixing bowl place your butter, followed by your granulated white sugar, then your light brown sugar, and mix until they are well combined. Doesn't necessarily need to be light and fluffy, but well combined is definitely important. Once you do that, you can then add in your egg, followed by the vanilla extract, and mix until it's fully incorporated. It will look a little weird at first, but once it incorporates, the mixture should become lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. This is completely normal. Then give the bowl a good scraping down, and this just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Then add in your dry ingredients, which is just your flour and raisin agents and salt, followed by the dark chocolate chips and the toffee pieces. Then mix this on a low speed to start with, working you up to a medium-high speed, and mix until you have a dough form, but no further than that, as you do not need to overwork the dough before it's even baked. And if you do, you can chill it, but I'd recommend remaking it because it'll have a tough mouthfeel. Then you can give the bowl a good scraping down again. This just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in, but as you can tell, mine was very good and the dough pulled away from the bowl. Then you can go ahead and scoop up your cookie dough into 5 cookies. This dough makes 5 generously sized cookies, or feel free to halve it and make 10. This is a very versatile recipe. Take your ball of cookie dough, roll it between your hands, then flatten slightly and place onto a tray. Repeat the process until you've done all of your cookies. Then you can go ahead and place them into your preheated oven and bake them off. All the times, temperatures and everything else you need will be in the blog post, which will be linked down below, so don't forget to check it out if you're interested. Then straight from the oven, once they're baked, you can finish the cookies off. I like to finish them with some fudge pieces that have been cut up, as the normal fudge pieces are a bit too big, but cutting them into 4 means that you can put a piece onto each cookie without making too much of an impact. And I use these little gummy candy sweet things that I got from a supermarket when I was making these cookies for Christmas. I don't know if they'll sell them again in 2025, but they did sell them in 2024. So then top these and let them melt on a little bit. But then that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be links to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social media. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.